Welcome back everyone. We had a few volatile weeks and months behind us, especially with the newly appointed President Trump in the United States. There are talks of a strategic Bitcoin reserve, new stablecoin legislation, pro-crypto government officials, and recently we've also seen a surge in new altcoin ETF filings and more. Now if we compare this crypto cycle to previous ones, you may notice that things are not moving as fast as people would like when it comes to the price action of altcoins. This leads us to wonder, where is the alt season this cycle? Despite all the positive news, is it delayed or even cancelled? In this video we'll talk about altcoins, but before we start, feel free to subscribe. I'm a small channel, but I have some upcoming videos that I'm sure you'll enjoy. I'm using some charts from Shul from AltCryptoGems shared on his X account, so definitely check him out as well. I'll put a link in the description. Alright, we can define alt season as the brief period where altcoins massively outperform Bitcoin after a few years of decline. Historically, alt season has always started in Q1 of the post-halving year, but it seems like something has changed this time. Let's dive deeper into why alt season hasn't occurred yet. The first reason is that there are just simply too many altcoins, particularly meme coins. When I entered the Web3 space back in 2018, there were around 3,000 to 4,000 tokens. By 2021, that number had grown to almost 500,000. Today we have over 37 million tokens. There's just not enough liquidity to pump the existing tokens because new meme coins are absorbing a lot of that liquidity. Moreover, the current market dynamics have shifted towards speculative trading. Instead of investing in projects with long-term potential, many participants are engaging in short-term trades, often moving funds from one meme coin to another one in pursuit of immediate gains and results. This creates a cycle where existing funds are merely redistributed among various tokens rather than new capital entering the market. In my opinion, meme coins are damaging the image that people should have of crypto, and we should be using blockchain technology to advance fields like AI, finance, gaming, sports, and so many more, not to create pump and dump schemes for personal profit, which unfortunately often leaves many people with significant losses. Since the launch of Pump.Fun at the start of 2024, nearly 1 million tokens are being created every single month. This can be observed in the Bitcoin and altcoins correlation chart. Before the launch of Pump.Fun, there was some correlation between Bitcoin and altcoins, but that correlation has weakened significantly ever since. While it has been beneficial for the Solana ecosystem, it has really harmed the top altcoins. What also hasn't helped us is that even President Trump and his wife Melania launched their own meme coins. They're not the first to launch coins that gain value based on social media trends and celebrity endorsements, unfortunately. Although Pump.Fun is a major factor behind the delay of alt season, it is not the only one. Venture capital greed has also played a significant role in damaging altcoins. In the next 12 months, over $35 billion worth of token unlocks are set to occur. In the last cycle, back in 2020-2021, the VC's return benchmark was a staggering 563 times or 56,200%. In this cycle, they want even more. It seems like big VCs have done everything to extract liquidity and leave retail investors at a loss. From selling locked tokens via staking rewards to shorting tokens on a day one, all these actions have severely impacted the price. Despite all that, their benchmark returns this cycle is just a 66 or 500%. Every alt season that has happened so far has also one thing in common: no quantitative tightening or QT. QT is a period where the Federal Reserve reduces its balance sheet. During QT, liquidity decreases, which is detrimental to risk on assets. In 2016-17 cycle, there was no QT, and it started in Q4 2017, marking the cycle top. In the 2020 and 21 cycle, QT started in Q1 2022, which also marked the cycle top. Currently, the Federal Reserve has paused interest rate hikes but hasn't ended the QT program. Recently, Canada and the EU announced plans to end their QT programs, which could indicate that the Federal Reserve might follow suit. The upcoming FOMC meeting in March 2025 could announce the end of the Fed's QT program, which has been going on for 2.5 years. Now, for the big question, will alt season happen this cycle? I personally still believe in it, and here are some reasons why. First, we have institutional bidding. This cycle, Bitcoin has outperformed most altcoins due to one reason: institutional adoption. Bitcoin surpassed $100,000 because institutions are buying ETFs. A few altcoins are also becoming increasingly interesting to big players. We know this because several hedge funds have already applied for spot ETFs for altcoins like XRP, Solana, Dogecoin, and Polkadot. and recently also Cardano. While these funds aren't as large as BlackRock or Fidelity, they still manage between $50 or $100 billion in assets. Some of these coins have over 85% probability of spot ETF approval, which hasn't been fully priced in yet. I'm confident that these altcoins and their ecosystem tokens will surge once the market starts speculating on ETF inflows. This is also one of the main reasons why I'm closely watching projects like Chainlink, as they are at the forefront of partnerships with major financial institutions and banks. Another significant factor is a pro-crypto administration in the United States, as mentioned before. Bitcoin has long been classified as a commodity, and even the former SEC chair Gary Gensler has repeatedly affirmed this. However, there's been a lack of clarity around altcoins. With Trump's administration now in charge, several major developments are underway that will bring more regulatory clarity to altcoins. Donald Trump is also planning to create a digital asset stockpile, which will undoubtedly include altcoins. Trump's project World Liberty Financial is actively swapping Ethereum and other altcoins, which could be a strong indicator of what's to come. Just last week, we witnessed the largest liquidation event in crypto history, with over $10 billion worth of leveraged positions getting liquidated. Similar to March 2020 and August 2024, there will likely be a few weeks of consolidation before any significant reversal. I anticipate that altcoins will start gaining strength from March this year due to three major factors: the FOMC meeting, the FTX payment distribution, and decisions on several altcoin ETFs. I still remain very bullish and excited about all the developments happening this year. So yeah, don't lose hope, avoid dubious meme coins, definitely if you can't afford to lose your money. And most importantly, stay safe out there. FOMO can be dangerous for both your portfolio and your mental health, so make sure to take breaks and enjoy your day. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Bye bye.